If you're tired of having to rewrite text manually, a paraphrasing tool might be exactly what you're looking for. And today I'm going to show you 5 of the absolute best options that you can use right now. I'm not going to waste any time, let's jump into it. First off, we have QuillBot. QuillBot is a great AI-powered writing assistant. It's designed to streamline the art of writing. Thanks to its advanced paraphrasing and grammar checking abilities, it has gained significant recognition as one of the best tools out there. Excelling at rephrasing sentences while preserving their original meaning aids in preventing plagiarism and enhancing readability. This makes the writing process not only simpler, but also more effective. For those who value accurate word choice, QuillBot is undoubtedly captivating. Now, you can check this one out for yourself for free, but it does have limitations, and Premium with unlimited access to all the features starts at just $9.95 a month. Now, I'm going to go over some excellent tools today. If you want to check any of them out, head down into the video description below. There I'm going to leave links available so you can try every single one out for yourself. Now, if you do decide to make a purchase using any of these links, we may receive a commission, which goes to help support our team and all of our ad-free videos. Number 2 is Jasper. Jasper AI is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology focused on natural language processing and comprehension. Its primary purpose is to generate text that resembles human writing, deliver accurate responses when asked questions, and engage in coherent conversations within specific context. Jasper AI's intelligent paraphrasing capabilities make it stand out from other technologies. These capabilities allow Jasper AI to grasp the subtleties of text and rephrase it without losing its original meaning. This functionality is particularly advantageous for content creators, writers, and anyone looking to enhance the clarity and uniqueness of your writing. Now, if you want to check out Jasper for yourself, there is a 7-day free trial, and plans start at $49 a month. Next up is WordAi. WordAi is an artificial intelligence-based tool that aims to generate human-like text. It uses advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to understand context, grammar, and syntax to provide high-quality written content. One of the notable attributes of WordAi is its contextual comprehension and ability to produce coherent, contextually significant content. WordAi provides various modes for paraphrasing that enable users to customize their output according to specific requirements. These modes offer the ability to produce easily understandable, SEO-optimized content, whether it's for everyday reading or creative pursuits. They do offer a 3-day free trial, and paid plans start at $57 a month. Next up is TextCortex. TextCortex is an AI-powered writing tool that assists in producing top-notch content with greater speed and efficiency. It can paraphrase, generate text, perform language translation, compose creative content, and provide informative answers to your inquiries. Its AI-driven paraphrasing tool assists professionals and students in rewriting text while maintaining the original meaning. It allows you to effortlessly convert your ideas into compelling and high-quality content within seconds, all while creating a fully personalized AI model that adapts to your input, knowledge, and style. There is a free plan available for you to check out, which lets you generate up to 2,500 words, and the light plan starts at just $5.59 a month. And finally, we have Writesonic. Writesonic operates as a cloud-based platform, leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to produce text, translate languages, generate various forms of creative content, and provide informative responses to your queries. Writesonic's paraphrasing tool allows you to effortlessly rewrite sentences, paragraphs, essays, and entire articles free from plagiarism with just one click. Moreover, Writesonic offers a bulk upload feature that allows users to paraphrase or rephrase thousands of sentences, paragraphs, articles, or even essays within seconds. It's an excellent tool for individuals or businesses seeking to paraphrase content quickly and effortlessly. The free trial of this software comes with 10,000 words a month, and there's an unlimited version which costs $20 a month for unlimited words. So there you have 5 of the absolute best paraphrasing tools on the market today. There are some more that we have listed in the blog articles down below. If you check that out, you can see some of the other ones we have, and we'll see you in the next video.